SLD Consulting Office trained the staff of Danish Refugee Council's Bamenda office on a crucial theme: local leadership and equitable partnerships. Objectives: strengthen the role of their local partners. Redefine the posture of international actors.
Try to avoid these postures. Substitute.
Build fairer and more sustainable collaboration.
Every activity schedule should be done in consultation with the CSO.
There is a need for the ex-INGO to acknowledge the competences within that local leadership.
The international organizations have a capacity, so they need to guide the CSO.
3 days of case studies, role plays,
principles were not respected, policies were not followed. I also discovered high conflict of interest.
The staff was absent. The finance staff that had to pay was absent. So because of the emergency, the train, we had to support the beneficiaries. We had to push through.
interactive tools,
way of also increasing their visibility to donors, seizing opportunities, also to share the success stories of CSOs.
group discussions,
local leadership was the importance of maybe us as international organizations working in partnership with local actors, not just forcing things on them, not just telling them what to do.
That it gives the potential for the partner to take the lead while you are coaching.
Local leadership starts here, when learning is shared.
I was bringing out their know-how. I helped them brought out the know-how that they had.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
When voices are heard.
When you talk about stimulating, it talks more of encouraging.
Yes.
Connecting. Like,
Yes.
Experts, I know I transmit as well. We do a lot of trainings with partners.
Excellent.
When partnerships are fair.
Stepping back doesn't actually mean going farther than the partners. It's actually working side by side, encouraging and holding them.
Participants didn't just learn about localization, they lived the challenges.
All we need to have is our reports on time and following the accurate formats.
First of all, I have to bring to your attention now we have very few number of staff. In your office, you have managers, you have assistants, you have officers, you even have specialists. Us, we have just officers and assistants. I cannot do everything alone.
See, this is a problem. It's a clear problem of competence.
We feel very frustrated because during the initiation of this project, we were not taken into consideration for decision making. You went ahead proposing activities, setting meetings, setting budget without consultation of the CSO.
I believe we should sit down, department by department, and put our heads together.